Hi, Cyber Sisters and Misters. Do you want to watch me go from basic to Slade on my natural virgin 4C hair? Then stay with me.
This is the Drawstring Ponytail by Mayde. Doesn't show a particular length on here, but the number is 4. And it comes in lots of other colors, as you can see. It comes in 1, 1B, 2, da 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 da. It comes in all those colors. And I purchased this from a local beauty supply store. It was $9.99. So I also purchased another wig by the same company, and I wanted to just do a review on them. So this is how it's looking out of the package. There are 2 hair combs inside, one at the bottom and one for the top right here. A lot of people don't like to use the combs, but they don't bother me. I don't leave the ponytail in long enough for it to start thinning my hair in any particular spot. That's typically the reason why people don't want to use the combs. They always wear the comb in the same spot, and it starts to create thinning and sore scalp and everything, but I don't have that problem because I won't wear it that long. Just did another wig tutorial where I did a half up, half down hairstyle. So this is part 2 of that same video, unless I decide to split it up. This is aloe vera juice. I'm gonna start by adding 1 ponytail. I don't plan to wear this ponytail any longer than just for this tutorial. So I'm not going to go through and really just slick and smooth my hair that well. I'm just going to show it just well enough so that you get the gist of how to do it yourself. So if I were actually planning to wear this ponytail, I would go through section by section and add my style factor throughout my hair to stay nice and flat. This is just water. This is one of the triple tooth combs. I've forgotten what you call it, but I do like to use it to help to smooth my hair. It really gets in there, gets all those layers of hair nice and smooth without you having to do so much manipulation to it. So this isn't a true number 4 either. This is more like a 1B. So this is going to be pretty dark against my hair. I'm going to add some of this vitamin E oil to this hair just to help to separate the curls. And I'm just going to smooth it on while the curls are still intact. This hair is really, really long, guys. Really long.
So push in the bottom comb first, and then after you figure out how high or low you want the ponytail to sit on your head, push the teeth of the comb through your natural hair. Pull the drawstring to tighten it. Don't pull it too tight, it can hurt your head. And remember, the tighter you pull the drawstring, the tighter the combs are going to dig into your scalp, unless you have them positioned perfectly.
This hair is soft. Texture. It's not baby doll soft, but it's pretty soft. Well, now let's just separate these curls.
this point, you can tie your hair down with a scarf just to set your style. Yes, yes. You better swing that ponytail, Nick. Get into this look, sis. Let me know in the comment section if you're feeling this look. Let me know how you would change it, tweak it, make it your own. If you decide to try this style, hit me up on Instagram and on Gmail. There's enough information and inspiration over here to go around, so tell a friend to tell a friend.
If you haven't already, subscribe and turn on the post notifications. Do me right. 2019 just ended. Stroll into 2020 with a little more Sunkissednic in your life.
Enjoy the rest of your 24. Until next time, I'm Sunkissednic. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Click the link above for another classy, sassy hair tutorial or a session of Sunkissed.